Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate Lebara's SIM card UK. You can find the app Lebara SIM in any Google Play Store or App Store. As soon as you have downloaded the app, confirm the general terms and conditions and then click on continue. First, enter the last 10 digits of your SIM card number and the PUK. You will find both on the SIM card holder and in the welcome letter. In the second step, you enter the country where your ID was issued and the type of document. Then confirm that you want to enable the camera and follow the instructions in the app to scan your ID card. When scanning your ID, please make sure that the light conditions are good and that your ID is clearly readable. In the third step, they verify your identity. To do this, activate your front camera and show your face as the app displays it to you. Once your face is recognized, turn it to the right and left. Finally, you check and complete your personal data. Your SIM card is now activated and you can use it immediately. Try it right now and download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.